Introducing the HS-150 Orbital Sander from Ryobi. It is part of the Handyline series, which is good for DIY and home use. So what's inside the box of the HS-150? Here we have the operating manual together with the free sandpaper, which is 80 grit. Here we have the unit, the HS-150. Next is, let me show you how you can fit the sandpaper into the orbital sander. First, you have to unclamp the clamp lever. This will allow you to fit the sandpaper. Just make sure when fitting the sandpaper, the holes are aligned with the holes in the rubber. This will maximize the use of the dust nozzle when you attach a vacuum cleaner in the HS-150. Make sure that the sandpaper is flat on the ground when you fix it. This will allow you to have a smoother finish when using the orbital sander. Now that we have fixed it, it's time to use our orbital sander. You can use the orbital sander in two ways. One is you keep pushing this lock button, which will enable you to continuously sand without pushing the trigger. The other one is you keep your hand on the trigger, which can control the sanding. When using the orbital sander, do not put too much force on the machine. Just let the machine work, as pushing more force will provide you with an uneven surface. Now let me show you some of the results, a quick video of using this sander and how the wood will end up when you use the orbital sander.